guys, today I'm going to do a review on cubing. So first, most people start with a normal cube from the dollar store or any store, I don't know. But people, if they keep using cubes and like them, they might actually get cubes online like these really fast. I know how to lube it. I don't even have lube, but sometimes cubing gets a lot harder and cubing seems impossible, but it is possible when you get lessons. But it's okay to start with any cube, 2x2 or 3x3. It's okay. Any cube can do. Yeah. So. Even more harder is when you keep leveling up on cubing, like these cubes and these cubes. Mostly, maybe harder is like these cubes. But I think the hardest cube that I can possibly think of one of these is like Terraminx. I don't know, but these are called. This is called a Megaminx 3x3, and I'll be starting to tell you what are the names of all these cubes. So you can start with any cube. And here we start. Starting with the 2x2. It is a lot harder, but actually not that hard, but the 3x3 has been the first cube ever released. 2x2s are maybe the second. I don't know where start. I don't know what is the second cube possibly made in the world. So I don't know. And so these cubes are actually easier than a 3x3. That's 3x3. If you started cubing, you may start with this cube. It's hard to turn. It's like a gun stick on inside. But people actually become better at cubing when they keep practice on cubing than get online ones. I already told you this, but these cubes actually get really popular. So cubing is actually really hard. There's actually algorithms that you might not know. I have a piece of paper that has all the turning spots. So it'll be good for you if you use a piece of paper. You can even memorize it. Like, yeah. I'm not that much good at the cubing, so it doesn't matter of any cube you use. It's just the skills that you have on cubing. By the way, cubing is not just like a pro. It's just how you can learn cubing algorithms a lot. Then cubing gets a lot more harder than you expected right now. It took me a long time to solve a 3x3, but it's okay. Next up, 4x4. I do not want to unsolve the full thing, but I will solve it and solve it like a 3x3. It's okay. 3x3s are actually not that bad of cubing, but 4x4s get more harder on cubing. Cubing is actually, never mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. So this is how cubing works, but 4x4s do not actually work with like 3x3s. It will take a long time to do 3x3s and 4x4s. But if you go to higher cubings, like cubes like 9x9s, or you possibly cannot solve a 17x17, it's gonna take a very long time if you try. 4x4s are 4x4s have a lot of parodies. Like mine, I don't know why mine has parody. Like that, I don't know exactly, but it's just like this. When I don't know why that happens. Next up, 5x5. I do not have any cubes higher than 5x5. From online. This is from online, and I never get any higher cubes than 5x5. They seem a lot harder, actually. Once again, I do not want to unsolve this, I forgot, 5x5. So 5x5s actually are kind of expensive online, but if you get a pack, it will be like less or the same price. I don't know why it is, but I don't know the price of each cube I got, but it's still good. I might solve this cube later because it has a lot of centerpieces and edges, and yeah, that's how cubing works. Just a lot of colors mixed up everywhere. Well, yeah, sometimes you'll get a hand cramp when cubing really fast, but I don't know if parody works on 5x5. Yeah, some parodies are impossible, like the one I showed you at 4x4. Yeah. So 5x5 is actually hard. I don't know why why the algorithms are so hard. I don't know, but I know how to solve a 4x4. Only when I get impossible parodies. Like that. The parodies like these. Like, I never got a parody like this to here. That's weird. Okay, next one. So, this time, it's gonna be a little weird of cubing like this. Mirror cube. Mirror cubes are actually harder than you thought. I know it's harder than you thought. You thought it would be easy, but I don't know if you will seem it is easy. But for me, I don't think it is that easy. Because I am already failing on this cube. Why? Okay, that's where it goes. I don't know why this is so hard in this part. I don't really know how to really solve this parts. Like, maybe I'll need to solve this later too, but these two are unsolved, so I don't know what to do. I'll maybe solve this later. Okay, next cube. 3x3 mirror. I will not unsolve this. It's actually harder than you think too. But it is just a 3x3. You need to just find the shapes. I don't really know how to explain a lot of these, but it's fine. It's actually really hard for me. It takes me like more than the high record I did on 3x3. Not even 3 minutes. That's the first record I got on solving this. I don't know. Okay, next cube. This cube. It turns weird, but sometimes you have a case like this. I don't know how to solve this, so I don't care. I really actually know how to solve a cube. Since I don't know, but I never had a cube, but this is the first time I have a cube. This is my first ever cube, and I do not wait. So yeah, so yeah. So cubes are actually not that hard, but it is. Yeah. Actually got something stuck here. Okay, so cubing on cubes. I don't know if you should start with a cube to solve. I don't really know. Might get stuck sometimes on cubes. I don't know why this happens. Wait, this never happened. I never had this happen. Okay, so maybe something happened on my cube. I can't explain this. I don't know how some of these. Am I doing this? Bro, these two are flipped. How did that happen? You know, I'll just do this. So, cubes are actually pretty hard if you have a problem like this. Like this. I don't know why this happens. So, yep, I'll solve this later. Okay, now I don't have, okay, this is all my cubes. I have some inside the house. I don't know. I'll do another video in part 2. This is just part 1. I'll do more cubes, in the other video. Bye guys, this is all for cubing. First day making a cubing video, so bye guys.